Hi all. Wednesday, Loendi Live. How are you all doing? As you can see with my title, I'm launching my improved 90-day affiliate marketing program for 50% discount. Yes, I made some changes in my affiliate marketing program. I have a 9-step roadmap that I talked about, and I improved some of the areas. And I would like to share this with 10 of you guys who wants to help me to make sure it runs smoothly. The only thing I will ask of you, work through this program, do the 90 days, start your affiliate marketing program from start to finish, and I can make sure that you have commissions daily if you follow the plan. And then I will ask you to give me feedback. What can I improve further? Is the program successful? Can I launch it as a full-fledged program? So this is why I'm doing my Loendi Live tonight, to share a little bit about this program. As you all know, I've been talking about the 9-step roadmap. How should we get our clients? What is my expertise? What do I share with my clients? My message, my offer. And you have to have an irresistible offer to your clients. Otherwise, why will they like to go to you? What is my value? If you don't give value to your clients, don't expect them to sign up for your program. My perfect client. Who is my perfect client? Anybody that wants to do my program as an affiliate marketer in the next 3 months to get from start to finish a full-fledged business on the go. That's the people I'm focusing on. Furthermore, I have done my branding. I've got my lead magnet, and some of you already have a lead magnet from me, your Facebook Launchpad, and how to make you more engaged on Facebook. This is one of the lead magnets that I'm giving out. I will also do a 30 minutes strategy call with you, as I want to know which clients suits my program. So I can show you I worked on a 30-minute strategy call. So I will set up the scene. I will triage and audit what you did so far. Will you be a fit for my program? What is your challenges? What is my recommendations in your challenges? The next steps, and how can we work together? If this sounds good, then sign up for my program. You can DM me, private message me, and I will call you back. The only thing I will ask at the end, please give me feedback, weekly feedback, and maybe after the 3 months, did you enjoy the course? Was the course helpful? Is your business off the ground as I promised? Let's see. Why not? And if after the 30 days or 60 days or 90 days you feel you don't want to go further, just ask me and we can work something out. I'm talking to coaches and people who wants to do affiliate marketing. And with all the gurus and fakes out there, I've been through that. I know what they do. I promise you, you will get results, you will get value, and I will be there to hold your hand the whole time. PM me if you think you will be a good fit, and let's discuss and see if I can help you. Thank you for listening. I'll be on next Wednesday, Loendi Live again. Bye for now.